I am Алтынай. I'm 9th grade of high school number 11. I will introduce you an unpopular but very important profession. There is such a profession. Technical diving. Technical diving is one of the most difficult occupations for which training is needed. They clean up the bottom of water bodies, building bridges, oil platforms. Diving in Kazakhstan. As we live in the Mangistau region near the Caspian Sea, our interest in this profession has increased. Even though we have a shelf and oil production, industrial diving is underdeveloped. This is because there is no training system. Diving in other countries. In other countries, technical diving is more advanced than in our country. For example, Egypt, India, United Arab Emirates, Russia, Australia, Vietnam, Thailand. In Russia, technical diving has been developed since 1998, gradually changing from an extreme sport to a massive form of active recreation, of continuing diving and learning. Several new generations of technical divers and instructors have grown up in Rust. But today, our diver remains the undisputed leader of technical diving in Russia. Various technical courses are held regularly and numerous technical quizzes enable technical divers to apply the knowledge and skills gained from the courses. For development in Kazakhstan. In our opinion, for the development of diving in Kazakhstan, working with professional divers, opening club for interested people, attracting the attention of foreign divers to large Kazakh companions. Dress code. The driver's clothing is called a wetsuit. The choice of wetsuit must be approached very responsibly as it is your second skin. Depending on how well you choose a wetsuit, your comfort depends safety and sometimes even life. A modern wetsuit should protect you from cold water, dangerous marine dwellers, hot corals, contact with aggressive chemical, and so on. Scientific diving is a very interesting study of underwater archaeology and marine biology. Military diving carrying out to repairs in the military industrial complex, underwater engineering works, and so on. Police diving search for evidence and investigation. Problem of the Caspian Sea. The main problem of Caspian Sea is pollution. Oil pollution suppresses the development of Caspian phytoplankton, and phytoplankton, represented by blue, green, and diatom, produce oxygen production. Due to the spread of large areas of oil film, the rate of evaporation decreases several times. Pollution of the Caspian Sea causes the death of large number of rare fish and other living organisms. Another main reason is the decline in the catches of students poaching, in other words, poaching. Caspian poachers make up about 80% of the students' catch. Solve the problems. Measures to address this problem must be worked out by all countries on other shores of the Caspian, and we can do it thanks to proficiency in technical diving. Publishers and interest people offer various free shares, come volunteers to train professional diving, divide them into groups and transgress. Thanks for watching.